Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy AVAX on Binance. It's quite easy to get this done. Let's say you have some cryptocurrency on any of your other wallets and you'd like to buy the AVAX using that particular cryptocurrency. Any cryptocurrency you have, be it any other form of crypto, you could simply deposit this crypto on Binance. So once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account and you've successfully deposited crypto on Binance, simply head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spots or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. So I have some USDT deposited here. Now, in order to convert this USDT into the AVAX, all I need to do is click on the home icon, select the convert option that's here. Once you selected the convert, please take note that converting your cryptocurrency assets into the AVAX is basically purchasing or buying the AVAX. So all I need to do is simply click on the spot wallet drop down, select funding wallets. And where we have the LSK, click on LSK and simply search for USDT. So USDT, click on USDT, switch their places. And once you switch their places, simply click on max or enter an amount of the crypto you wish to convert and simply click on preview conversion and then click on convert. Once you've converted, you'd find that your AVAX would then be deposited either on the funding wallet or on your spot wallet, depending on where you have the AVAX stored. Now, another way of buying the AVAX or purchasing the AVAX is once on the home screen, click on this icon here. Like I said before, make sure you have an account on Binance. Simply scroll and select the sell to card option. Once you've selected the sell to card option, you're given a chance to select the cryptocurrency of your choice. So let's say we want to sell our AVAX, but we're not going to be selling the AVAX. We're going to be clicking on the buy option, which is at the top of the screen. So click on this buy option and we get to use our Binance card, our MasterCard, our Visa card to purchase the AVAX. As you can see here, it says we're buying AVAX in my local currency. So let's say buy minimum amount, click on buy AVAX. You're taken to a section where you can either pay via your Visa card or your MasterCard, whatever you use. Click on the confirm option. Click on the confirm option, enter your billing information. Once you've entered the billing information, click on confirm, and the AVAX will then be deposited directly in your wallet, which you could confirm by a simple reload on the spot or funding wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.